How to sit down properly after your knee replacement. Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. Do you want to be able to sit down properly, or are you thinking how you can sit down properly after your knee replacement? Are you having a lot of difficulty sitting down? Watch this video to the end so you'll know what you have to do to be able to do that. I see a lot of patients, knee replacement patients, have difficulty sitting down after their knee surgery. Some of them is because of pain, some of them it's because of the weakness, some of them lack of range of motion. But most of them, it's because their mechanics is off. And some simple tweaks in their mechanics will make a big difference in terms of getting them to be able to sit down properly and also sit down with less difficulty. So let's dive right into it. So first, I want you to start using bigger muscle groups so that you'll have more strength to be able to stand up and sit down properly. All right, so the first thing is I want you to start using the glutes, right? I want you to start using your glutes or your buttock muscles. And this is how you want to do them. I want you to start sticking your butt out, because when you stick your butt out when you're going to sit down, you're going to start recruiting your glutes more than your quads. Especially after knee replacement, your quads tends to shut down because of the trauma to your knee. So the glutes do not shut down as much because there's no trauma to the hip areas where it is connected to. So when you're going to sit down, I want you to stick the butt out. So in this case, if I go kind of sideways here, I want you to stick the butt out as you sit down. Instead of, I see this, a lot of my knee replacement patients, they sit down this way and they would just plop. All right, so I want you to avoid that. Stick the butt out. You can hold here for support. If not, then stick the butt out as you go down. Okay, now when you are able to do that, this is the other thing that I want you to be mindful of. I see this a lot in my knee replacement patients or post-surgery patients in general. When they are starting to sit down, they start leaning to one side. So if the left leg is my surgery leg, or this is one I had my knee replacement, if I'm going to be sitting down, most of the patients, they do this. If you had the knee replacement, did you notice that you have a tendency to do that also? Because if you have, I want you to be mindful of that. You want to be in the middle. And when you're practicing this, I tell all my patients, do it in front of the mirror if you can. So that way, you'll see that you're even. You're not leaning to this side as you sit down, right? Be it a lack of strength, lack of range of motion, avoid doing this. I want you to be in the middle. Force this leg to work, force those muscles to work. So you're going to stick the butt out, and also you want to be in the middle as you're sitting down. All right, now you've seen those two quick tips, quick tweaks on your mechanics on how you can sit down properly after you have your knee replacement. So to recap, the first one is use your bigger muscle groups, which are your glutes max or your buttock muscles. You want to use those. So that means that you want to stick your butt out as you sit down. That way you're using those glutes muscles more than your quads and your hamstrings. So that's number one. Number two is you want to be even. You want to be in the center as you sit down on the chair. You don't want to be leaning one side, and usually you're going to be leaning to the side which is the side that you did not have the surgery. You lean away from the surgery side. You don't want that. You want to be in the middle. Force that surgery leg to bear the weight. Force it to get used to that so that you'll be in the center. And that way, you'll be more comfortable sitting, because then you're using both your legs instead of using just mostly one leg. All right. Two quick tweaks on how you can sit down properly. Let me know if that is something that works for you. I want you to try it. Leave them in the comments below. I would love to know if this actually did work for you. If not, then let me know also. That way I can guide you further. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear your questions. Would love to be able to answer them. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you know anyone having difficulty getting up or sitting down from the chair, please share this with them. Share this with your friends and loved ones so that you can help them learn how to sit down, how to get up properly, and more comfortably. All right. So thank you very much again, guys. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button so that you can get subscribed to all our videos and turn on your notifications so that you can be alerted on when we release our videos. We release new videos every week. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video. I appreciate you.